Howdy, this is Chris at Build a Ski Bike. If you just received a Brenter from me, then there's going to be a slight assembly process, and I wanted to show you that slight assembly process. So these are the parts that you're likely going to receive right down here. So you're going to receive a handlebar. You're going to receive the front ski with the assembly. You're going to receive the rear ski. And then you're also going to receive the frame right here. So we need to put it together. And then you'll have a seat over here. This may or may not be attached to it already. It all depends. But the first thing we're going to want to do is we're just going to want to put the rear ski onto the frame. So all you need to do is just slide it in here. Make sure that these metal pieces on the front are towards the front. And then just slide it in until it clicks. And then you're going to attach the two metal pieces into the holes up here on the frame. And then this little latch, if you squeeze together these metal pieces and just squeeze it together, then you're going to be able to latch it right there. So the rear ski is now on the bike. One thing that you're going to need to do is get an Allen wrench. And you're going to need to tighten up these bolts on the back end, just right here. Just tighten them up until they're nice and snug. Don't over tighten because you don't want them to break. Right here. Nice and snug. Now we're going to put on the front of the bike. So all you're going to do is take this front ski. So you're going to see that this assembly, it does bend and fold a little bit. So if it's bent backwards just for shipping purposes, you can see it bends down like that, pretty flat. Then all you're going to do is just flip it up and stick this little red ball onto the mount. And then this is what it should look like when it's done and ready to be installed. So all you're going to do is just slide this onto the frame. The ski should be facing down the same way as the lower ski, same direction and such. And then we're going to take these handlebars and we're just going to go ahead and slide them on here. And then once they're on there, I just like to make sure it's a little bit snug. Make sure they're aligned, and then I'll flip this little latch over. And then that should attach the handlebars. And then the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to put on the seat if it's not already on there. All you need to do is just face the seat forward and then pull this little button down here underneath, and then you can just slide it on there. And then it'll end up latching. You can hear a click, and then it'll be in there nice and tight. So that's how you assemble your new or used Brenter. And this is what it should look like after it's fully set and done. Thank you for watching.